Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful day today. It's Carolyn and I'm your dream bag lady. Of course, today we're going to be doing another unboxing. So this is actually the second item that I got by the Pool Collection 2021. Spring and Summer Limited Edition. I'm just very obsessed with the Pool collection. It's very cute. Love the color. Here we have again the Kirigami Pochette. There's 3 pieces in this purchase. The largest one is this pink one. Gold hardware. Snap closure. So this one is 9 inches by 6.5 inches by 1 inches. And then you have the 2 smaller pieces. And the medium side is blue. Same thing again. Gold hardware. Snap closure. It's 6 inches by 4.5 inches by 1 inches. So they're all made in France. This is called canvas coating. And the inside is cowhide leather lining. So they're all the same like that. And the smallest piece, same thing again. Gold hardware, snap closure. It's 3.9 by 2.8 and 1 inches. So this one is the smallest one. It's the mist gray, also known as the broom. This is super cute. This is the one I use most for credit card. You can use it for a business card. It's perfect. The blue one fits perfectly for a passport. I've also purchased this, and I'll include the link below. This one is the insert. You just basically slide it right in. Like that. And then it comes with gold hardware chain. And you can just clip it right where the D-ring is, and then make it into a crossbody. Same goes for the blue. The insert goes right in. You can use this as a wristlet if you have one. You can hook right onto the D-ring. Or you can do the same thing again with this. And I'll show you later how the crossbody would look. And the last one is the cutest one. Insert for it. This one, the insert makes it into a keychain. So you can actually hang this on any of your bag. So this one, I'll show you. You can just hook it right on and make it into a bag charm. And I believe Louis Vuitton has a keychain and charm that looks like this. Super cute. I'll just show you the blue. Cute little pouch you can make it into. And this has no alteration to the actual product. It's just an insert that goes inside. And you can take it out anytime. And that's it. I'm going to do the same for the bigger one. Just clip it right in. Isn't that super cute? Thank you so much for being here and watching this to the very end. If you have any questions, please contact me below. I also have an Instagram account that you can connect with me. It's also called Dream Bag Lady. If there's a special request for a bag that you want me to review, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much again.